Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying account eligibility because platforms block unverified creators. Log in, open settings, and confirm live streaming is enabled. If not, follow the enable flow. Check required thresholds, followers, age, ID verification, and complete any missing steps. Once done, make sure email and phone are confirmed and two-factor authentication is set where required. This prevents abrupt blocks later and grants stream keys. Acting now saves time. If you hit an eligibility barrier, collect required docs or contact support for next steps. Next, validate the technical configuration because most failures come from mismatched settings. You should paste the stream key fresh, don't reuse an old one, and regenerate if unsure. Configure your encoder. Match platform codec requirements, set bitrate within recommended range, and choose the correct resolution and aspect ratio. Then test your network. Run a quick upload speed check and ensure your upload meets or exceeds the platform's minimum. Once you confirm these, run a short private test stream to catch errors early. For the final steps, initiate a private or unlisted stream and watch the dashboard for successful handshake and stream health indicators. If the platform rejects the session, switch to an alternate ingest server or region and try again. Often routing fixes availability. Make sure your app and encoder are updated, and clear cache or restart devices if persistent. If none of this works, gather logs, screenshots, and timestamps. Then contact support, provide those details to speed resolution. A single troubleshooting tip: try.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.